Hello, hello. This is my chicken door. I decided it needed art on it. So that's what we're gonna do because I built it today. It's not a very great door, but it's gonna work. It's just for the outside pin, but I wanted it to have some cool art on it. So I decided I'm doing a quick project. I might as well bring y'all along. So enjoy. It's going to time lapse. Hey guys, okay, so we got this entire thing painted black and we are gonna let it dry pretty well and then flip it over and also paint the backside while I have all the black paint out. And then we'll let it completely dry and we will put the projector on it. It's gonna get dark soon, so it'll work out well, and draw what we want to paint. And then, go from there. And I haven't decided yet. It's either gonna say cluck around and find out with a cute little chicken girl on it, or it's gonna say I raise dinosaurs. So, it's gonna be cute. But they definitely need a little sassy door for their sassy little homemade chicken house. And I just want you to know what I shaped off, because my oldest son had drawn a little person on this wood. It was like scrap wood. So I'm going to make it part of the design. And he's 24. He's about to leave home. And I'll see it every day and remember I do things like this. Most of all of my art has like some kind, like their handprints or something in it. I'm very sentimental like that. So, anyways. Just want to show you. I totally had some crazy stuff going on at the house. I had to get some stuff finished, but right now I'm painting the chicken door still, and that's what I came up with. I'm going to change the chicken. I'm going to change it to different. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but that's like general. So I'm going to put you on some time lapse so you can watch me trace this out, and then I'll get to painting. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's gonna be so freaking cute. Holy moly. It's gonna be the cutest chicken door ever. Okay, so I'm gonna get my paint together and I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna paint this really fast. And y'all are gonna follow along on time lapse. Super easy. Anybody can do this. I've showed y'all. Like, all you gotta do is make sure you can have a little, it's one of the, like a projector thing is all I use. Just so you know. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Okay, so I put all the paint on it. I can't decide if I want to do her glasses red. I feel like it needs to be broke up, and if I do her glasses red, it might make her a little bit more sassier. See all the paint? I did a boob dip. Anyways, looks super cute, right? But it doesn't have to be perfect. Definitely just wanted something out there just to be cute. And, I'm the only one that's ever going to see it. So, besides all of you. Anyways, so I'm going to let this completely dry. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do red glasses. I think maybe we'll see. As you can just say, I totally decided to get that little sassy chicken some red glasses on. I think it's precious. So we're gonna let this dry. I need to outline the bow again and the glasses and get that all looking straight. But I think it's so cute. So last night I decided that I needed something on the back of that door. So I'm just gonna sponge. So I thought the girls needed something magical to look at whenever I closed the door. And so they weren't just looking at ugly woods all the time. I know I'm going a little overboard for the chicken door, but oh my goodness. Hold on, let me flip you around. Do you think that they'll be happy with their art? I'm just saying. Oh my gosh, that frog is already turning out so cute. Holy moly. Okay, guys. I mean, not bad for a chicken painting. I know that there's a couple more layers, so I'm gonna go ahead and do those because I have to add some white flowers. And I think I want him to stand out more, so I'm gonna work on that today too. But basics of this is, wow. And it's done. I'll get a better video in just a minute. I just wanted to chat and let y'all know that if you can make this painting, I have all of the slides and I actually sell them a full tutorial on my website. So enjoy. So I brought this outside to seal it, and it looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm in a hurry, and then I'll show you whenever I'm done. Okay, so it totally rained on me outside, so I had to move it back in, and I'm gonna put the sealer on it, and it's gonna be done, and then I'm gonna go install it on my chicken coop, and you'll be there for that too, so we'll be right back. Okay, well, the whole chicken door putting on session was completely just a train wreck, so nobody got to see that because I threw some fits. And don't make fun of my door thing because I'm going to use this for them, but this is what it looks like. Isn't it so cute? And then we put a little thing here to open it. And there it is. And this is their coop. It's like in the process of being made, but I still let them play out here. during the day. So there's one of them now. And Buck just watches them. Hey, Tick.